jaguar is scared of thunder. The rain barely reaches the forest floor. Thunder! Hoot, hoot. Chirp, chirp, hoot, chirp. Hoot, hoot. Chirp. Chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Hoot, hoot. 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 Chirp, chirp. Meow. Chirp, chirp.
There's cats in the rainforest?
Hoot. Hoot. Roar. Bang! A hunter's shotgun echoes through the night. A flurry of bullets comes out of the shotgun. Hoot, hoot, hoot! No, the hunter has a Gatling gun. The owl goes down in flames. It is literally on fire. The howler monkeys echo through the night. Ooh, 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 as the hunter picks them off one by one. Ooh. The rain, thunder, echoes across the treetops. The panda bears are leaving. They had migrated to the jungle earlier because there was a fresh supply of bamboo there. But no! And the noise as they all die! You think this is funny? The hunter points his gun at the baby jaguars. But the baby jaguars are too strong for the hunter. They arise from the grave and lunge towards his throat. Ah! The hunter screams as the jaguars pierce his throat and rip him to shreds. But the hunter is not through. The shreds of his body come back together to form a zombie hunter and go back towards the Gatling gun. He shoots the undead cat with the undead Gatling gun, and all the cats die. And that is where babies come from.
Is that it?
Yes.
How about the daytime rainforest?
The daytime rainforest.
Wait.